Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Samsung RU7100 series TV. It's a 4K TV that I recently bought. I've been dying to get one of these babies. And finally I got it, so I decided to do an unboxing for you guys. I'm pretty excited. It's a smart TV too, because it comes with Netflix, YouTube, all those smart features for smart TVs. And so without further ado, let me do the unboxing. So right here we have the remote. It's just the regular Samsung remote, but then the fact that this is a smart TV, the remote has features, the smart features. We have the Netflix button, we have Prime Video from Amazon, and other regular, it's just a regular remote by Samsung. And right here we have the documents. I'm guessing these are quick guides for the TV. Yeah, it's a quick guide setup, and I use a manual too. So I'll not go into this because most of these things are straightforward. And also we have this is the power cable. This is for your connection to the socket. And on the other side, we have the two, what do you call them? They are the legs for the TV. Like, this is how you're going to set up your TV to, you know. And then let me get this out of the way. That is off. Oh, and we have this, it's kind of a protection for the screen itself. So now what we have left in here is the screen itself. So I'm going to do a quick installation of the TV, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, finally I have it all set up, and I'm really curious to go ahead and switch the TV on. But then before I switch it on, there are a few things we need to highlight. The various features, the ports around the TV. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. So on the back side of the TV, we have the port for your Ethernet cable, and on the upper side, these are the audio and video components. This is where you connect your audio in and video in. On this side, we have from the bottom side, we have your antenna, and then 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and then on the upper side we have the connection for audio out, the optical cable for your sound. So what you've realized is that the TV doesn't have any other connection for audio apart from this port, which is the digital port for your optical cable. That's it. I'm gonna turn this around and you're going to switch it on, and yeah, appreciate the picture quality on this TV. The fact that it's a 4K TV, like personally coming from a full HD TV, that's 1920 by 1080 TV, to a 4K TV, it's a huge upgrade, because a 4K TV, that's like a tessellation of 4 full HD screens. So yeah, that has been it. This was my first unboxing, and thank you for sticking around to the end. And one last favor, I need you to kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload great content like this one. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and peace.